Hey everyone, welcome back to Big Jores Affiliate Gist. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can place your order or how you can stake your game on ADK. Note, before you stake game on ADK, you need to go to ADK Telegram channel to see the daily games that they will post. Make sure that you don't play any games on your own, because if you place a bet on your own, that means if the game doesn't play the way you predicted, your money will be gone. But if you play the game that ADK posts on their Telegram channel, you can never lose. No matter any amount you stake, you can never lose the game. That one is guaranteed. There is no losing. So that is the difference between ADK and normal sport betting, because this is not a regular sport betting platforms that you know, like BetNaija, BetKing, or others betting platform like OneXBet or SportyBet. On this particular one, if you play a game given to you, which is the game that is being posted on the Telegram channel, you have 100% guarantee that, like 100% guarantee that you are not losing, and you can never lose. That's for sure. So for us to play today game, let's quickly go to ADK Telegram channel to see the game that they have posted today. So here is my Telegram channel, and as you can see, this is today. This is the game that they have posted today. This is today game, which is Lazio match in Europa League. So this is the game that we are going to play. Always take note of the odd. The odd is 1.50. So this is the game that we are going to play, and as you can see here, they have predicted this game away 1-0. So what it means is for you to go to your ADK account and place a bet on this particular game, and make sure you play it 1-0. Don't play anything other than that. So let's head over to our ADK account. Here's my ADK account, and let me show you how you can quickly find that particular game. Instead of you to scroll up and down looking for that particular game here, I will recommend you click on match. So after clicking on match, as you can see here, the game has already shown, because I even searched it. So if it happens that the game doesn't show, you just need to click on the search bar. After you click on the search bar, you now enter the name of the team. You just click here and you type in the name. The name that we saw there was Lazio. This is the name, like this particular name here, Lazio. You can either type this one or this one. The game is going to appear. So if you go there and type Lazio, you see here is the game. Here is the game, and it's on Europa League. So all you need to do is just to tap anywhere. You can tap anywhere around this particular game. So let's tap on it, and now you can now see the option here. Correct score, you see 0-0, away 1-0, and others like that. So what you are going to play is away 1-0. This is exactly what we saw on the Telegram channel. This is it, away 1-0 with the odds of 1.50. so let's go back and check. This is the Telegram channel. The score is away 1-0 and the odd is 1.50. so let's place the game now. I will now click on order. You click here. So when you click on order, here is where you need to enter the amount that you wish to play. As for me, I want to play with all of the money. I want to play with the whole money, so I will click on all. Ensure you always play with everything so that your interest will be high. So after you click on all, you can see it has automatically enters here. Then you now click on confirm to confirm your order. Click on confirm. You see, that is all. Your game has been placed. Order status waiting, bet on score 0-1, amount, odd, and everything. So if you scroll down, you see cancel order. Do not click on it. So from here you can now go back. You can now go back to your account. You can now go back. You see, so that is how to stake your game on ADK. Make sure you like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.